User-defined functions. I hope you are familiar with predefined functions. In this lesson, we will start working with the user-defined function. A function is a self-contained block of statements which performs a logic charge of a certain kind. Each C program can be regarded as a collection of these functions. In C language, there are two types of functions. They are library or predefined functions, or user-defined functions. The library functions are established and classified by C language based on the goal. We already discussed the functions of string manipulation, which were established by C language, whereas user-defined functions are defined by the user. We can define a function by using four manners: function with return type and without arguments, function without return type and with arguments, function with return type and with arguments, and function without return type and without arguments. Let's take a look at the advantages of the functions. Functions are used to avoid rewriting the same code on several occasions. It helps to reduce the length of a program, and a function can be called anywhere in a program. In order to write a function, we need to know the syntax. In this syntax, the return type refers to the data type to which the function is to be returned. You can use the void keyword if the function need not return any value. The function name is the name of the function. Following the function name, you need to pass the parameters if it is necessary. The local declarations indicate the local variable, which is used only inside the function. And the body of the function contains the purpose of the function. And finally, return is a keyword which returns an expression to the calling function. Now, you're clear with defining a function, so let's see a sample program. In this example, we define a function called callMe that prints a text message. Inside the main function, we show a text message using this printf statement, and then we invoke the callMe function. Now the control is transferred to the callMe function, and it prints a text message called Welcome to User-Defined Functions. After printing the text, the control will get back to the main function. Here, this text message will be displayed. Now we can compile the code using Alt F9, and when the compilation is completed, click on OK, and then run the code using Control F9 and look at the output. In the program of samples, we used the function without argument and return values method. Tip: generally the arguments are classified in two types. They are formal and actual arguments. The formal arguments are the arguments available in the definition of functions. They are preceded by their own data types. The actual arguments are available in the call of functions. I hope you are now familiar with user-defined functions.